Welcome to the enchanting Hanoi Old Quarters in Vietnam, where history and mystery intertwine in a captivating way.
Welcome to Vietnam!
So this is the busiest part of Hanoi. In fact, this is where, the foreigners consider as getting to Hanoi. So you may be in any part of Hanoi, but if you don't get to this old quarter, we call this place Old Quarters. If you don't get here, you are not in Hanoi. You are just around. And here there are a lot of activities, and this is the place you can see a whole number of foreigners, and there are around 36th Street, just around this area. It's one of the busiest area, and if you don't take care of where you are, you can just get lost just easily. Let me take you around. This is one of the popular activities to do in Old Quarter. That is a bike ride. I'll try and take part of this activity. Come in. Hello. Hi. What's up? I know. Namfi. Yes. Yes. So they'll mostly ask you. They'll ask you. Hello. Hi. When they see any black person, you are either a trophy or a Namfi. So a trophy, the fee means an African, So if you are coming from any part of Africa, you are a trophy. Come from South Africa, you are now fee. So that's it. I'm planning of maybe I'll get one of these carts and then go around. And this is one of the popular activities to do when in Hanoi. Just hopping onto this bike and they take you around. Very popular. Bao nhiêu?
Where to go?
And see.
Where go we now?
Hoan Kiem Lake.
Yeah,
I don't know.
Hanoi Old Quarters.
Bao nhiêu? Yeah, bao nhiêu?
200.
200,000. And Hoan Kiem Lake.
Yeah.
Hoan Kiem Lake is how much? Okay. Bao nhiêu? 200. High jump. Okay. Thank you. Come on.
How much?
I'm coming. I want to fly a drone.
How much?
I want to fly. So I'll see you again.
Why?
I want to fly a drone. So this guy just wanted to cheat me. They take 100,000, but he's taking 200,000. So I don't know, but I'll just keep walking in the busiest part of Hanoi, Vietnam. And the sun is really scorching. Recently there's been reported incident of heat waves, and maybe I'll just go through the streets and I see. Let me see if I can. So this is, here's where you can find the popular KFC. And like I said, this is the busiest part of the city, where you can also find Hanoi City Tour. You can go around the city. I don't think I'm interested to go around the city today. That's a beautiful fountain. No. That's a beautiful fountain right here. Let me see if I can. These bikes are just everywhere, all around. Coffee, coconuts. See if I can find them trends. I'm trying to cross the road. Crossing the road in Vietnam is another wahala. You have to, most of the cars, they will never stop. Cars will never stop.
As you navigate through the narrow street and ancient buildings, you'll encounter challenges deciphering the secret that lie within. The Old Quarters of Hanoi is a history and culture, each corner whispering tales of the past waiting to be unveiled. Explore the rich history and cultural heritage of Hanoi Old Quarters, from the bustling market where vendors sell local delicacies to the serene temples where incense fills the air with a sense of tranquility. Every step you take is a journey through time, revealing the layers of the city's past.
Yeah, very busy street. This area, Old Quarters.
In the heart of the Old Quarters, you will uncover the hidden gems and mysterious stories that make Hanoi Old Quarters a truly unique destination. From hidden alleyways to ancient pagodas, each discovery adds to the allure of this historical district. Reflect on the intriguing discoveries made during your exploration and appreciate the charm of this historical district. The blend of the old world charm and modern influences create a unique atmosphere that will leave a lasting impression on your soul. If you enjoyed uncovering the mysteries of Hanoi Old Quarters, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fascinating adventures. Join me as we embark on more journeys to uncover the hidden gems of the world.
At night, all these chairs here get arranged, people seated all over. It's practically impossible to ride here at night. At night you can ride at this place, not to talk of passing here with a car. And the more you get into the street, the smaller the street becomes. Don't forget it has 36 streets over this area. Hi, hello.
Đấy, vừa đây phải đọ được anh ơi.
At night, this place is a no-walk area. It's just all full of clubs, pubs. It's a place to have fun at night. It's party, 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 party non-stop. Tomami calls this particular area. Holy shit. Old Quarters. The blue tree. Hello. It's time to go.
Mọi người được yêu tham gia công tác phòng cháy chữa cháy và cứu nạn cứu hộ.